If your laptop touchpad suddenly stops working, then follow this video to easily fix the problem. This solution works for any laptop, so let's begin. As you can see, my touchpad is not working, and when you even press on the left and right clicking keys, there's no action. To fix this, let's check our function keys. There's a touchpad enable or disable key part of it. For this Lenovo, it's F6. Just press on it. And as you can see, the touchpad is working now. Let's try the process again. And as you can see, the touchpad stops working. Press it again and it starts working. Other brands like HP, Dell, Acer, you need to use two keys, that is the FN plus the touchpad key. And as you can see, the touchpad is working now. Another method you should try in case these steps does not work for you. First of all, look for an external mouse and connect it to your computer. Immediately it starts working, go to search and type control panel. Click on the icon. Come to this arrow and change it to small icons. Now look for mouse and search around here. Let me click on device settings and then click on the enable to activate your touchpad, then apply and OK. If that also did not work, then try this last method. Right click on the start button and click on device manager. Expand this option, mice and other pointing device. Right click on your touchpad and select update driver. Select automatically for updated driver software. This will update your touchpad drivers. After, close this window and restart your PC. If the problem still persists after restarting your PC, then please come back here again and right click on your touchpad and click on install device. Please do not take this option, just click on uninstall and click yes to restart your PC. So that's all for this tutorial. Please kindly like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.